half of the screen shows various problems, but the other half has no problem displaying the image. Dear friends, I am M. Mustafa. Welcome you all to Ornate Pixels. Panel number HV320WHB-N80. This panel has two gate driver chips or gate COFs on one side. This COF's number is RM76320FB-61A. Now we need this COF data to troubleshoot the panel. So you can visit ornatepixels.com. Here is the data of this COF. Look here. Test points 1 and 3 are VGL. There will be -7 volts. Test point 2 is become 6 volts. Here the voltage of all test points are mentioned and number 8 is ground. So let's check the voltages according to the data. VGL about -7.7 volts. VGA is 22 volts. Okay, then ground. There is 2.7 volts at the ground, but it will be 0 volts. In this case, a bypass ground connection should be made to the COF like this. Okay, now let's see what happens on the screen.